So in this part of the video, we'll go through the basic functioning of Togetherly, what are the problems that we intend to solve, and how we go about solving them and providing a better solution. So beginning with the problem statement, after the pandemic, a lot of educational institutions as well as corporate organizations have shifted towards the remote way of doing things, and thereby increasing the demand for collaborating platforms, something like Draw.io and Xcali. What makes Togetherly stands apart is the fact that we provide a very low latency and almost real-time collaboration platform with a large number of users can collaborate at the same time. Now, what separates Togetherly is that we use the latest technology such as Convex and Next.js 14. Now, why do we use that tech stack? Now, Convex is a cloud backend service designed for server functions and backend functionality. What makes Convex real time is that its real time database tracks all dependencies for every query function. And Convex function runs server side in an isolated execution environment. Now, as per the latest update in the Next.js, which is the Next.js 14, it has improved the performance by a lot. Up to 45.8% faster initial root compile without caching. Now, these performance can be seen, these improvements can be very well seen as mentioned in their docs. Now, let's have a overview of the workflow or the architectural diagram of our project. Now, as you can see, all the authentication in our project is handled by the Clerk Cloud Service. Now, the Clerk is responsible for user authentication. A user can get authenticated while logging in and then can create an organization and send invites to users in the same email group or in the same organization. Now, of course, there can be a lot of access such as the editor access, viewer access, or different types of access to a lot of users and specified users. Now, these users can also join in that live session and they can collaborate in real time with very low latency. These are the tech stack used, which is Next.js and TypeScript in our project. Now, moving on to the business case, we intend to scale up our platform, and while scaling up, these are some business cases that we have identified, which is beginning with the subscription-based model. We intend to create a subscription-based model and provide this service to anyone who needs to have a collaboration or a whiteboarding solution. Educational and training packages for colleges and other educational institutions, sponsorship and partnership with corporate organizations, which then delves into the B2B side of our business, and enterprise licensing and integration. We would also begin with a freemium model, which has certain premium features. And as we progress, there would be a lot of customization services keeping in mind the needs of our clients. The upcoming features we have already implemented, and this is something that is coming out in the next version of Togetherly, which is the real-time document editing. We have also been consistently working on an artificial intelligence or AI assistance, which would generally give the user the power to write a prompt, and then that prompt will be converted into an architecture diagram or whatever the users try to visualize. These are some upcoming features that we'll be releasing very soon in the next version of our Togetherly platform. Thank you for your patient hearing.
In this part of the video, I'll walk you through the very basics of our project and how our website actually works. It is also hosted on Vercel for now. This is the landing page. It's made using Next.js and GSAP animations. So this is the basic landing page. Let me first sign up as a user. All the sign up components and authentication features are handled by Clerk. So this is where the user gets redirected after he or she has successfully logged in. Note that all the authentication services are managed using Clerk. Clerk provides all features that whether the device is connected on other devices across, and also the user has the privilege to change his password and all. So firstly, the user has two options: first to create an organization or to create a group under a certain organization. Let me first create an organization where I can name it something like Geeks, and I upload an image which will be my organization ID. So after the user has created an organization, he or she can invite members to it. Let me invite my second email ID, very easy. Let me give it a role of a member and let me send it an invite. I can see a mail has come from Togetherly. This is using our custom made SMTP server. So when the user clicks on this link, he or she is redirected to our hosted platform only, and he can view our organization as well as I, who created this organization here, can now view this. I have the privilege of creating a screen, and note that this everything here is real time. I can rename this. User can join in sessions together. Basically, this can be used by companies who like to collaborate on projects with different people across the globe, and even this can be used by organizations or institutions for students to collaborate in. After the board gets loaded, this is the basic whiteboard which the user gets. We can see that two active sessions are currently logged in, and these are basic tools which we offer. One of which is a pen where the user can draw things and converse with them, something like this. Predict Bay here, being a user, has the privilege of selecting them and deleting them. Also, if we give it an admin access, then he or she can kick people out of this board or even invite others too. Other features which we offer are some text where the user can create text messages over here. Hello everyone. And everything here is real time, and it's more faster than the other products out there because we are utilizing Next.js along with Convex, which are the two current hot technologies in the market. We also have sticky notes. Sticky notes are basically used in Scrum calls wherein people put up tasks over the day, and this won't get deleted. This will only get deleted if the admin deletes this panel as a whole. These are some basic assets which we included. Also, we have an undo feature wherein the user can have the previous outlook and what all added, and I can delete this as a whole here. Also, I have the privilege of renaming the screen test screen 1, and this gets changed real time. I can copy the screen link and invite it to people where they can join in sessions. Herein, the user has the privilege of marking boards as favorites so that it can be viewed later on. Also, the user can create multiple screens like this. Also, lastly, the user has the privilege to switch between organizations and invite same people or new people to the organization. So our main use case in this project was that after the pandemic, a lot of educational institutions and corporate organizations has shifted towards remote work, and thereby increasing a demand of collaborative platforms like Draw.io and Xcali. What makes Togetherly stands apart is the fact that Togetherly provides a very low latency compared to those, and also offers a wholesome real-time collaboration experience with which even can handle large number of user audience collaborating at the same time. Thank you.